Hi everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen my previous videos. In case you are not seen, please go through it. Dear students, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. In previous class, we have discussed the slope of a line in terms of coordinates. Yes or no? The slope of a line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 provided those points which are lie on given line. Yes or no? So here in today's class, we discuss interesting concept that is with the help of slope of a line joining two points or slope of a line using the coordinates of points. We derive a condition for 3 points to be collinear. Let us see here. Just to assume that this is a x-axis and this is a line. Okay, so inclination is fixed. We are not being changed. Okay, here to find the slope of this red color line. Okay, here we may consider 2 points anywhere on the line. Yes or no? It may be. If we consider here these 2 points, the slope what we gives again if we consider these 2 points again it gives me same. Yes or no? I mean because inclination is fixed means slope is also fixed. So what I am going to say that to find the slope of a line by using any 2 points lie on a line can be used. Okay. Okay. Now by using this concept, now let us we move to the discussion of important concept that is condition for 3 points to be collinear using concept of slope. So I have considered this an x-axis and y-axis and this is a line. I have considered 3 points A, B, C on line L. Here slope of L is given by considering any 2 points either AB or AC or BC. Yes or no? So it means that slope of L is given by slope of AB or slope of AC or slope of BC. Okay. So here I am now going here just I am going to take slope of AB equals slope of BC. Slope of AB equals slope of BC. Yes or no? So here A, B, C are the points lie on the same line. Okay. Here we observe the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Just to think in converse manner. What do you mean by converse manner? So converse manner means suppose slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. What do you find analytically, geometrically? Here A, B, C are the points lie on the same line. Yes or no? Points lie on the same line means that they are collinear. So here make you the condition. If slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, then the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay. Or we say that if A, B, C are collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. So this is the condition we use to find 3 points to be collinear. It is not restricted to only for 3 points. It may be extended to 4 points, 5 points or up to finite number of points. Okay, the concept may be used to find the condition for collinear points. I hope you got it. Yes or no? Now let us we move to the next again another concept, that is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Just to think here, when two lines are in a plane, then those two lines either may be parallel or intersect each other. Yes or no? Here I am going to consider two intersecting lines, L1 and L2. L1 and L1 and L2. Okay, so here clearly we observe that when two lines are intersecting each other, two pairs of opposite angles are generated. We observed pair of two opposite angles. Yes or no? This is theta and vertically opposite. This is also theta. And if I take it as alpha, this is also alpha. Yes or no? Two pairs of vertically opposite angles we observed. So here let theta, here we notice that theta and alpha be the angle between the lines L1 and L2. So here now we are going to find the angle between the lines by using the concept of slopes. Okay, with the help of slopes of lines L1 and L2, we can find the angle between the two lines, that is theta and alpha. So let I take it as alpha 1 and alpha 2 be the inclinations of lines L1 and L2. Then clearly slope of L1, clearly slope of L1 I take it as M1, and the slope of L2 is equal to M2. Okay, then here alpha 1 is exterior angle. So here exterior, we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Yes or no? So that here alpha 1 equals alpha 2 plus theta. So from this equation we calculated, that is theta equals alpha 1 minus alpha 2. Yes or no? Theta equals alpha 1 minus alpha 2. Next, I am going to apply here tan function on both sides. That is tan theta equals tan of alpha 1 minus alpha 2. So here I make you the formula that comes in the introduction to trigonometric functions. Okay, tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So here tan of alpha minus alpha 2 equals tan alpha 1 minus tan alpha 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan alpha 1 into tan alpha 2. Okay, so a slope of L1 is, we have taken M1. So according to definition of slope, if your inclination is alpha 1, therefore M1 equals tan alpha 1. Yes or no? Here slope of L2 is M2, therefore slope of L2 is tan alpha 2. Is it right? So here tan alpha 1 is M1, tan alpha 2 is M2. Yes or no? So here I am going to substitute here tan alpha 1 is equal to M1 minus tan alpha 2 is equal to M2 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. Okay, so here tan theta equals M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 into M2. Is it right? Here this is the angle between these two lines. Here alpha is also an angle between the two lines. Yes or no? Here angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So clearly what will be alpha? Here alpha equals 180 minus theta. Yes or no? Alpha is equal to 180 minus theta, or theta is equal to, or we can write it as theta is equal to 180 minus alpha. Okay, so here just I am going to substitute here to find alpha. Theta can be write it as 180 minus alpha. Yes or no? That is equal to, you just copy as it is, m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Here again we make use one more formula, that is tan of 180 minus theta equals minus tan theta. Okay, so here tan of 180 minus alpha according to this formula, so that would be tan minus tan alpha, that is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, or tan alpha equals minus, so here minus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Here listen here, so here we got it, tan theta equals tan theta, angle theta can be determined by using the formula m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, and alpha can be determined using the formula minus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So thus we observe that angle between the two lines, given by, okay, angle between two lines, either it may be alpha or theta, that is given by plus or minus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2, that is angle between two lines where m1 and m2 are the slopes of intersecting lines. Got it or not? So here to find the, here theta is alpha, theta is acute angle, alpha is obtuse angle. Whenever we require particularly acute angle, in such case we use the formula that is modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the symbol of modulus. Here modulus means, that is modulus of 5, that is equal to plus 5. Modulus of 5 is again 5. Modulus of 0 equals 0. Modulus means it makes the positive. That is the rule of the modulus function. So to find the acute angle, we use the formula modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. After getting an acute angle, easily we can find the obtuse angle, that is by using the formula 180 minus acute angle. Yes or no? So here, but here don't make confuse here. Theta is always acute and alpha is always obtuse. But according to my diagram, here theta is acute, alpha is obtuse. It may be like this also. Suppose I am having a coordinate like this. Suppose that one line is like this, another line is like this. Then automatically, so this will be theta is obtuse and alpha is acute. But you don't make confuse. But what we have understood, where angle between the intersecting lines, two angles are generated. That is, one is acute, other one is obtuse. Okay. So what we have learned today here, angle between two intersecting lines given by the formula m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 plus r minus m1 into m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, where m1 and m2 are the slopes of two lines. Okay, to find the particularly acute angle, we use this modulus symbol. Okay, I hope all of you got it. Okay, fine. Thank you. Let us be meet in the next class. Thank you.